In this tutorial, we'll be comparing two of the best screen and camera recorders, OBS versus Tella. Both are highly rated, but both offer different pros and cons. So in this tutorial, I'll be going over their features, pros and cons, and use cases. So be sure to watch until the end. Now let's dive in. What is OBS Studio? OBS stands for Open Broadcast Software, and it is free. It's an open source recording and live streaming app used by YouTubers, gamers, and podcasters. It's extremely powerful, letting you mix multiple videos and audio sources in real time. Some of its standout features include record screen, webcam, system audio simultaneously, stream directly to YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook, and add overlays, multi-screens, and custom layouts. It's completely free and open source. OBS gives you unlimited control, but it also comes with a learning curve. While on the other hand, what is Tella? Tella, on the other hand, is a browser-based screen recorder made for teams. It offers two options. You can either use the browser option or you can download the app. And it is perfect for teams, educators, and creators who want to record and share videos quickly. No installs, no setup if you don't want. You can start recording your screen, webcam, or slides right in your browser. Instantly trim or rearrange clips, text, transitions, and branded backgrounds. Share your finished video instantly via a link or download. It's like a mix of Loom and Canva. It's fast, clean, and beginner friendly. Now, let's quickly talk about some key differences of both platforms. For example, with OBS, you'll need to download and install an app, while with Tella, it offers you two options. You can either use the web browser option or you can install the app. And if we were to compare them via ease of use, OBS Studio has a steeper learning curve, while Tella is super beginner friendly. And if we were to talk about editing, OBS unfortunately does not have detailed built-in editor, while Tella on the other hand has a built-in browser editor. And if we were to talk about live streaming, you'll be able to do that with OBS, but unfortunately you would not be able to do that with Tella. And also when it comes onto collaboration, OBS offers manual file sharing, while Tella on the other hand allows you to share links instantly. You can also embed the videos on your website. You are given numerous options on how you can share it. And when it comes onto customization, OBS offers deep control over sources and scenes, while Tella offers simple templates and styles. And if we were to talk about pricing, OBS is completely free, while Tella starts off at $19 per month and can go up to $26 per month. So OBS is for creators who love control, and if you're just getting started out and have a low budget, I would recommend that you go with OBS. If you want a screen recorder that offers good amount of options and it is not as if you are just getting started and you don't have a budget, I would recommend that you go with OBS. It offers the option to get into the game so you can start recording your screen and so on. But if you would like to step it up a notch and you want something that is professional but at the same time beginner friendly and easy to use and low budget, I would definitely recommend that you give Tella a try. And I've been using Tella for quite a while now. In fact, I'm using it to record this tutorial. And if you would like to give it a try, I provided links in the description which will allow you to test it out and also help to support the channel. And if we were to compare them via ease of use, when it comes to setup, Tella wins for beginners. You just open your browser, click on record, and from there you can start recording your clips. If you would like to edit a few clips and share, you don't have to download. You can just go right ahead by tapping on record in the top left hand corner. OBS Studio, on the other hand, is more technical. You'll need to configure your input sources, resolutions, and bit rates before recording. But once set up, it's incredibly powerful. Think of it this way. Tella is for quick, polished videos in minutes, while OBS is advanced control for live streams or professional recording setup. And if we were to compare them via performance and output, OBS Studio can record in 1080p or even 4K, with advanced bitrate control, which is great for gaming or long-form YouTube content. It saves files locally so you can edit them later in tools like Premiere Pro or CapCut, while Tella, on the other hand, records in the cloud. You can export to MP4 or share via a hosted link. It's ideal for short-form content, quick demos, or internal videos, not for heavy video editing workflows. And if we were to talk about pricing, as I said earlier, it is completely free. So which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose Tella if you're a beginner or SaaS creator recording tutorials and you want a simple no-download solution. You need to share branded videos quickly with your team or clients. While on the other hand, I would recommend you choose OBS Studio if you need powerful live streaming or advanced setup. You're recording gameplay, webinars, or long-form videos, and you don't mind configuring scenes and audio manually. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.